Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 GMC Sierra. This truck came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's take a look at the driver's fender as well. The fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. No dents, no scratches. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's take a look at the back of the truck. The trunk looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches. The back bumper is perfect as well. Everything here is spotless. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on here at all. Now the last fender and wheel is spotless. No scratches here, no curb rash. So the exterior of this truck is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Alright, let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Let's take a look at the passenger side now. Okay, the passenger side looks perfect. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect as well. Not seeing any wear and tear with the buttons, and the leather and stitching look fine. So the interior of this truck is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the truck bed. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.